All right, so I truly don't know if anyone's actually going to want to see this, but I saw the latest and greatest deleted scene from Cynthia and Jonathan about Dunkin collaboration. So I, of course, had to stop by Dunkin at my first opportunity and see if we could find some munchkins. Now, when I walked in, they were right on the counter and they also had a few other accessories. So go ahead and check those out. I don't know how limited these are going to be, but I was really excited that I was able to snag one nonetheless. Now, it is about $10. It's $9.99 with tax. It comes to 10 something. And it comes with 10 munchkins. So it actually feels like a really good deal. And if you're like on your way to a meeting, like go ahead and pick one up. So it is tin. It is a tin can. You have pink along the side. You have green on the top. Donut hole treats, munchkins. It's just so cute. Certification made in Oz. I love that. Wicked Dunkin, this looks like some adornment. It almost looks like a broomstick. And then of course you have Glinda and Elphaba, and they look like Ariana and Cynthia. So what a little treat, pun intended. Now on the inside, it is gold and embossed. And honestly, it's just really nice quality. Like, well done, Dunkin. Now inside, it comes with 10 donuts. So I actually already ate 2 of them. They were those style. I don't know if they're gonna give you the same size everywhere you go. And then there is this cute little tissue paper underneath here. I'm not going to pull it out so as not to, you know, dirty the tin. But it goes from green to pink. And of course you have like some silhouettes in there and you have some mosaics as well. Now on the bottom it is that gold material as well from the inside of the tin. And that's it. Now this munchkin right here, this one is, it looks like a plain donut, like a plain munchkin covered with these sprinkles, like the pink and green for Wicked. I don't know if every location is going to give you an array or if they would just be all of the pink and green. I'm sure you can ask. I honestly was too excited to ask, so I just got what I got. But there you have it, my Munchkins tin. I'm so excited to use this for a while. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and be sure to subscribe.